You can spend the next 30 days preparing your home the right way, or you can spend the next 30 days on the market cutting your price. Because once a home sits, buyers don't ask what's good about it. They start asking what's wrong with it. And that's when you lose leverage. If you want more guidance like this on how to prepare your home to actually perform, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow along. Let's walk through exactly what to do over the next 30 days, so your home hits the market ready to perform from day one. Week 1 is about stepping back and really looking at your home the way a buyer would, not as the owner, but as someone seeing it for the first time. What stands out right away? What feels worn, outdated, or just a little off? This is where you decide what actually needs attention. And just as important, what doesn't. Because a lot of sellers spend time and money in the wrong places, simply because they didn't start with a clear plan. Week 2 is where you handle repairs and simple refreshes. And I want to be clear here. This is not about major renovations. It's about refining what's already there, touching up paint, fixing small issues, updating simple details. These are the things that remove distractions, so buyers can focus on the home, not the flaws. Let me ask you something. If a home looks clean at first glance, but the details are missed, does it really feel well taken care of? That's why week 3 is where most of the real work happens. This is deep preparation: windows, baseboards, vents, ceilings. All the little things buyers notice, even if they don't say a word about it. At the same time, you start simplifying the space, so it feels open, calm, and easy to move through. Week 4 is where everything comes together. Now, you're not just cleaning, you're positioning the home. Furniture is arranged with intention. Each space has a clear purpose. Everything feels cohesive, from one room to the next. This is also where styling or staging decisions come into play. At this point, the home shouldn't feel like it's still being worked on. It should feel ready. And the reason this works is because of the order. If you clean before repairs, you end up doing things twice. If you stage before simplifying, the space feels crowded. If you skip planning, you spend money where it doesn't matter. It's not just about what gets done, it's about doing it in the right sequence. So if you're preparing your home to sell, just know, you don't have to manage all of this on your own. In most markets, there are service providers who can help with each part of the process: cleaning and organizing, furniture removal, repairs and paint, landscaping, staging, and styling. And your agent should be able to point you in the right direction. But what most sellers realize pretty quickly is that trying to coordinate all of that on your own can feel overwhelming. If this helped you think about the process more clearly, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Map Design Solutions can assess, plan, and execute the entire process for you, and often have your home photo and MLS ready in as little as 7 to 10 days. We bring all of those moving pieces together into one streamlined process, so you don't have to carry that weight yourself. The goal is simple: take the stress off your plate and position your home to perform from day one. And in the next video, we're going to break down why some homes sell in just a few days, while others sit on the market.